Vol-Au-Vent Air Fryer Quiches. Hey, let me tell you a story. In year 2008, New Plymouth, Taranaki Mountain in the distance, the smell of the ocean, and my best friend handing me her family's secret quiche recipe. And today I'm taking that precious recipe, those sweet memories from Shell New Plymouth, and giving it a modern, crispy twist. Let's see how we elevate this classic into air fryer perfection, bringing that taste of New Zealand to my air fryer, transforming it into those adorable Vol-Au-Vent quiches. Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at everything we will need today. They are all easy and convenient to be grabbed in the supermarket. Now, before we get started, there's a little secret to making these quiches extra flavorful. We are going to pre-cook our bacon and onion. This adds a depth of flavor you just can't get any other way. Once the bacon draws out a little bit of bacon oil, it's time to add our diced red onion. Then saute the onions until soft and transparent. Once cooked, set it aside and let it cool down. Next, we got our star players, 4 ready-made Vol-Au-Vent cases. This is so much easier. You don't need to make your own quiche cases or pastry cases. These are going to be our crispy little cups of deliciousness. While I'm preparing this, let me tell you a little story about quiche. Has always been my comfort food for me, but this recipe holds a special place in my heart. It takes me back to year 2008, when I was working in New Plymouth, New Zealand for a year at Shell New Plymouth. That's where I met my dear friend Kirsten, who shared her family's classic oven-baked quiche recipe with me. And today I'm putting a modern twist on her family recipe by turning it into crispy, golden air fryer Vol-Au-Vent quiches, the same nostalgic flavors, just quicker and crispier. It's also a brilliant idea if you have guests come over to your house, a perfect appetizer or snack for your guest. Place these 4 casings in the air fryer. In the meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you've not done so yet. Alright, let's move on to prepare other ingredients. In a bowl, whisk 2 eggs. Lightly beaten up the eggs. Next ingredient is less than half cup self-raising flour, 2/3 of cup of fresh milk. Mix all the ingredients together until there is no lumps in the mixture. Slowly add in our 3 diced rashers of bacon and half dices of onion. Lightly mix all together. For seasoning, add in a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Grind a little bit of black pepper. 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix everything together again. Next ingredient is a 1/4 cup of green peas. These are the frozen green peas that you can easily get from the supermarket itself. Optionally, you can add in carrot as well. Please take note that we are not going to put the grated cheese at this stage because we will put through the cheese on the cases before cook. Now comes the fun part, filling these golden flaky Vol-Au-Vent cases. Oh wow, it's not flaky yet, but will be in the air fryer later. Just spoon the mixture in, filling them almost to the top, well, but not overflowing, because we will need to leave a little bit gap for our grated cheese later on. Change of tactic. I pour in all the mixture into the measuring cup with the sharp tip. It will help me to pour in the mixture easily into the casing. Look how magic that it will be. Here you go. So much easy and less messy for sure. Another pro tips here is if you have too much mixture left over, don't worry, you can keep in the fridge or you can buy more cases for the next few days to do it. Alternatively, can be just like an omelette. Before start to air fry, make sure that put on all the grated cheddar cheese and you can mix with some Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese. It's really up to your own imaginations and how crispy or chewy of the cheese that you like. Put on top of the casing. The air fryer will help this puff up beautifully and golden crispiness. Make sure you preheat your air fryer to 180 Celsius for 1 minute. Bake them in pie mode for 12 to 15 minutes at 180 Celsius until they are golden brown and set in the center. You will know they are done when you press them lightly and they spring back. After 50 minutes, and here they are, our crispy golden air fryer Vol-Au-Vent Quiches. They have the same rich, juicy, savory flavors as my friend's original family recipe, but with a delightful crunch from the flaky pastry. Smells so good. Once it cools a little bit, place them on the chopping board, and they're ready to enjoy. Decorate them with some homegrown cherry tomatoes in between and fresh coriander leaves on top. It's a perfect snack for your guests, light lunch, or even as appetizer. Each pie is a little taste of New Plymouth, a memory shared with my dear friend Kirsten. When you give it a bite, the cheese is melty, crispy on the top. The bacon is smoky, and the crispiness of the Vol-Au-Vent adds such a lovely contrast. This is my way of keeping a cherished memory alive while making it even easier and faster to enjoy. Food is so much more than just a meal. It's a way to connect with people and relive special moments. I hope you give this a try and create your own memories with it. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite nostalgia recipes in the comments below. Let's hear what my son's verdict is. Yummy? Bacon quiche.
Yum.
44.
Okay.
I like 44, but it's some
Maybe thumbs up.
I can't count it. Thumbs up.
Here's recap my improvised recipe of Air Fryer Vol-Au-Vent Quiches. Or you can go to hankery.com for print out recipes. Before you go, make sure that you check out my air fryer album recipe in the links on the screen or show note below. I hope you give this recipe a try and create your own special memories. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming recipe. See you in the next video.